Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Super Mario Run game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Super Mario Run game on your smartphone. And once you open it up, after you have completed the first few tutorial levels, you will gain access to your homepage. From here, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on Settings. Now within the settings page, you can now change your username right away. Just tap on your current username and then enter the desired username that you want to set. Now tap on the OK button, and now your username will be changed right away. You can also change your avatar at the left side by tapping on it and then choosing your preferred one right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on the Super Mario Run game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.